Are you stopping by for the very first time? Are you tuning into my channel for the very first time? Then do where to subscribe, please. Turn the notification bell, please like, share, and comment. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you. Guys, if you are stopping by for the very first time, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Be part of our family. In this channel, we talk about skincare, household products, a lot more. Okay, guys. Yes, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own oil. For this season, you need oil. You need what? Oil. Yes, to moisturize your skin. So guys, in this video I'm going to make a glow oil. This one is organic oil. Please do it by yourself. It's my motto. Yes guys, and it is a tutorial video, so please watch the video to the end and come back and testify. Let's go and watch the video to the end. Let's start to make our glowing oil for this season. But before that, please make sure that you have a clean sanitized bowl over there. Yes, place it over there and have your spatula or any spoon, but make sure that it is well clean and sanitized. Please guys, please make sure it is well clean and sanitized. And our total oil that we are going to produce is 380. You can reduce it to your own what satisfaction. So guys, let's start. My first ingredient will be my sunflower oil. Why am I using sunflower oil? Somebody may ask, why are you using sunflower oil? Because sunflower oil moisturize the skin. Also, it reflects the skin and give it a glowing skin. Okay, so I love sunflower oil, so I'm using 125 ml of my sunflower oil. 125 ml of my sunflower oil. So for my sunflower oil, we are scooping in 125 ml. Please put it in your bowl. Yes, your bowl. And add in your almond oil, 50 grams of your almond oil. What does almond oil also does to the skin? It moisturizes the skin, it hydrates the skin, it reduces scars, stretch marks, wrinkles. So almond oil is also very good. It glows the skin. Yes, almond oil is very good. It glows the skin, giving it a soft looking. So you can also add to your production 50 ml. And my next ingredient will be my argan oil. Argan oil, we are scooping in 75 ml. 75 ml. You can go for any argan oil, but please make sure that it is organic. Yes, any Moroccan or any of it. Okay, you can go for it. What does argan oil also does to the skin? It promotes skin elasticity. Yes, when your skin is saggy, it promotes it. Also, it supports in the dry skin. Those who are having dry skin, it treats it. And also it reduce the sign of aging. So argan oil is sweet and also very good. My next ingredient is jojoba oil or jojoba oil. Any of it will go. Jojoba oil too, we are scooping in 65 ml. 65 ml of our jojoba oil. It lightens dark spots. It also heals skin. When the skin is having problems, skin conditions, it also heals it. So jojoba oil 65 ml. My next ingredient is my rosehip oil. Yes, rosehip oil is very good. It brightens the skin. It prevents dark hairs, reduce inflammatory. So rosehip oil is also very good. That one too, we are scooping in 50 ml of it. Please guys, 50 ml of it. Please subscribe to my channel. Also turn the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Be part of our family. Yes guys, my next ingredient will be my frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is also very good. Yes guys, it's for irritation. Yes, it will clear it out. If you are having problems, skin damage, please try to add in frankincense oil to your production. It will clear it out. For breakages, it will heal it. So for frankincense too, we are scooping 10 grams of it. 10 grams or 10 ml of our frankincense oil. One thing I love about it is it also facing green veins. Yes, add to your production and see. And my next ingredient is my tea tree oil. That's the last ingredient. Yes, tea tree oil is also for antifungi, antibacterial. It treats it. So guys, we are also taking 5 ml of it. Please add all this oil. Stir it very well. Yes, stir it very well and put it in a clean sanitized bottle. Use it morning and night, and bring your testimony. It will give you that ageless and youthfulness glow. So guys, why don't you do it and bring your testimony? Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like my video, comment and share, guys. Yes, please comment and share. Happy Shiapa, which is happy Xmas to us all. I love you guys. See you in my next video. God bless you for watching. Bye bye.